The Flashforge Adventurer 5M Pro is a fantastic 3D printer, fully enclosed. It's got a camera on the inside of it so you can monitor your prints. It's got air filtration. You can print to this using any computer, using your network, whether you're using Wi-Fi, or you can also have this hardwired to the network, or even just put your files on a flash drive as well, and then you can monitor everything from your phone. All you have to get for this is some 3D printer filament, and then you can start making awesome designs. Like here's a little battery holder I made. Here's a little tray I've got full of Lego pieces. A nice plier holder for my Gridfinity drawer organizer setup. Or you can print 3D printed pegboard hooks, make little combines. You can make pretty much anything with a 3D printer. This one works really well, has very great temperature regulation with the full enclosure on it. And what I've been really impressed with after owning this for the last 9 months is the more time I've spent with it, the easier it's gotten to use, and the more updates that Flashforge has put out for it. So it works better than ever using the network, and it just seems to be a more reliable printer than ever. So all you have to do is set this up with filament on the back, load the filament, and then you can get started printing. And the assembly on the 5M Pro is pretty minimal, so you can get printing with this faster than with the standard 5M. The one mod I would recommend everyone do is don't use the build plate that they include with it. I was having a lot of issues with adhesion, tried using glue stick. That really just left a mess on the bottom of my models. Really, instead, I would recommend getting these cryo grip plates that do a much better job at actually keeping whatever you build on it. Whenever you're done with the cryo grip plate, all you got to do is remove it and then flex it a little bit, and the items will pop off. And what's nice about these is you don't have any glue stick residue, and you get a really nice first layer on them. So these make things look really nice. But here's some little pegboard hooks I printed, and they turned out great using the cryo grip build plate. A few other nice things, this does have auto leveling on it, which is very nice. Make sure that the bed's always in a good position to use. One thing I learned is this doesn't actually immediately start printing as soon as you hit start. I think the first time I used the 3D printer, I thought it was just going to start spitting my model out immediately, but this actually does take a little bit of time to heat the filament up, to get it leveled, and just for the printer itself to be ready to start printing. Then you'll see it going layer by layer, giving you whatever you designed or found on the internet and sent over from your slicer. You will need a computer to use this, so I recommend getting any computer that can run Orca Slicer, and you can get that on Flashforge's website. And all the software you need for this is available online. So overall, I really like the 5M Pro. I've had so much fun learning how to use this, getting into the world of 3D printing, making a lot of things from models to functional prints like my battery holders or pegboard hooks. I really can't recommend the 5M Pro enough. Just be prepared for a bit of a learning curve, some time spent setting this up, getting used to using it, and then tons of fun designing and coming up with different prints.